In front of me is OnePlus Open, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again and click on Privacy section. Now tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, or click on any of them to find an app that you wish to manage instead. Let's start with a feature though. Pick an app and apply one of those options. Camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can set Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. If you want to manage an app instead, click on it, select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!